Welcome to this lesson on geometric mean. Geometric mean is a special type of average between two numbers found by multiplying them and then taking the square root. So for example, if we want to find the geometric mean of 10 and 8, first we would multiply 10 times 8, which gives us 80. And then we would take the square root, which is about 8.9. So that is the geometric mean of 10 and 8. The geometric mean can be useful to find missing pieces of right triangles that are split into similar triangles with an altitude or in height. Oops. Alright, so let's look at some examples. There are going to be two types of problems you will see with geometric mean. The first type is called the altitude rule, and the second type is called the leg rule. So an example of an altitude rule is when you're given the altitude, which is this piece here. An altitude is just a height. And then you're given pieces of the base. So the rule for that is left over altitude equals altitude over right. And as you can see in this diagram, here are left and right. Alright, so let's set that up. So left is 6 over the altitude is x. And then the altitude is x again over 10. So if we want to solve, we are going to cross multiply because this is a proportion. So I can multiply x times x, which is x squared, and 10 times 6, which is 60. And then to solve, I'm going to take the square root of both sides, and I'm just going to round to the tenths place. So the square root of 60 is about 7.7. So basically what we did is we found the geometric mean of 6 and 10. We multiplied 6 and 10 together, that gave us 60. And then we took the square root, 7.7. Alright, the next one is called the leg rule, and that is where you're given one of the legs of your right triangle. Alright, so the rule for that is hypotenuse over leg equals leg over part. And part means part of the hypotenuse. Alright, so let's set it up. So hypotenuse in this case is 16. Over the leg is x. Leg again over part of the hypotenuse, which is 6. So I'm going to cross multiply again. X times x is x squared. 16 times 6 is 96. Take the square root of both sides, and you get about 9.8. So that means the length of this is 9.8. Alright, let's try a couple of more examples. So in number 1, first of all, we have to determine, are we going to use the altitude rule or the leg rule? And because we were given the altitude, we're going to use the altitude rule. So remember, the rule says left over altitude. So my left piece is x. My altitude is 5. Equals altitude again over right. So we're going to cross multiply. So 2 times x is 2x. 5 times 5 is 25. So in this case, we don't have to take the square root because we're not multiplying x times x. So you won't always take the square root. It depends on what you're given in the problem. We're just simply going to divide by 2 on both sides, and we get 12.5. Alright, and then in the last example, this is the leg rule. So hypotenuse over leg, so 20 over 9 equals leg, so 9 over part. And remember, it's part of the hypotenuse, so x. Alright, so cross multiply. 20 times x is 20x. 9 times 9 is 81. I'm going to divide by 20 on both sides. So 81 divided by 20, and I get 4.05, which would round to 4.1. Alright, you can go ahead and stop the video now and complete geometric mean practice and check it with your teacher.